I am John and I'm doing another Imaginext review.
Oh, and I am Ella.
Okay, so first we got a figure. Yeah, right here.
Oh.
Him.
Oh. Hey, let me
He
go.
got a spear. Pretty cool.
Yeah, cool, huh?
Like, you could throw it like this. And hit the camera! And yeah, he's the guy. He has like luggage on his arms. Like, right here, luggage. Some luggage in there. Yeah. See it? You can't really see it. But yeah, he got this little toned leg there. You can see that pretty good. And a little bandana, blue bandana.
Yeah.
So yeah, he's got a big bump.
And
So yeah, he's cool. And you get
this
this
is baby toy Cereal
thing.
that I'm holding
Yeah,
on
he's
my
pretty-
hand. Oopsie.
Well, he's pretty cool anyway. So yeah, onto the car. It's very cool. Triceratops bones. You can tell it's just bones because side, and the tail moves up and down and turns. And when it moves, the tail turns.
Yeah, and guess what?
And opening cockpit.
Yeah.
And you can sit the figure.
Sit the figure in there.
And then you can close it up.
And then what's here?
And this opens. And the baby and spear can go in there. And there's nothing in here. It's like rope tie on these logs.
And there's logs.
There's nothing in here also but a chair. And the Triceratops has 3 horns like always. And 2 have ropes. And he has like 3 little red scars in there. Seen them pretty good. And each
And like bumps.
And he has a really lumpy tail. Like a hammerhead kind of head.
Wait a minute.
That's strange, but pretty cool. And the wheels are cool.
Yeah.
They're like little cookies.
Yeah.
Little chocolate cookies with free light.
Yum.
Free like. I'm not sure, but they just look like cookies. And when they roll, they look like a rolling cookie. And my dog is it looks like my dog trying to get one of the cookies.
And guess what?
We have chocolate
chip cookies, and guess what? The dog ate one of mine.
Yeah, and he slipped like this. He went across 2 people and did a course swing and slipped like this. Bye.
Go.
Please wait and come subscribe. Goodbye.